How can you rebuild credit after bankruptcy? Well, you can certainly apply for certain forms of credit. If you're keeping a car through the Chapter 7 bankruptcy process and you reaffirm that debt, that is a trade line that will report positively to the Bureau. You can also apply for a secured credit card after filing, or down the road, some other form of small lending for either furniture, jewelry, or some kind of finance purchase. That's how you get back on track in terms of good credit. For more information about bankruptcy, comment the word HELP, and I'll send you a link to connect with a local bankruptcy attorney for free.